Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mr. Shop. Looking for the best wood thicknesser planer in the markets. In this video, I listed top 5 wood thicknesser planer on 2023. In this best wood thicknesser planer review video, we will show you 5 top rated wood thicknesser planer to buy in 2023. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best wood thicknesser planer, we made this list based on our personal opinion based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback and other related issues. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. Luxter 2000W 13-inch electric wood thicknesser planer multifunction portable woodworking planing machine. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Check the description link for full product information and price. Number 4. Woodworking press planer small household planer multifunctional electric planer table planer automatic feeding and grinding. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Number 3. Check description below for product link. FSY 125 automatic feed woodworking planer small household electric tools wood flat planer benchtop planer 2000W. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Number 2. $220 volts planer woodworking machine multifunctional electric planer for wood home desktop 1850W fully automatic carpentry tools. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Number 1. $2000W 13-inch electric wood thicknesser planer multifunction portable woodworking planing machine M1 BLS 3301 tabletop planer. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.